How to fix Lemon8 app not working. In today's video, we're going to troubleshoot the Lemon8 app if it's not working properly, whether it's crashing, freezing, or not loading. I've got some quick fixes to get you back up and running. So let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data, a poor connection could cause the app to load slowly or fail to open altogether. If you're connecting to Wi-Fi, try turning it off and on or switching to mobile data and see if that fixes the issue. Now let's check if the app needs the update. Simply open your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Lemon8. And if there's an update available, simply update it. Now, if updating also didn't work, try restarting your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix issues related to apps not opening or responding. And next, another important step is to check if your phone's operating system is up to date. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap on General, and go to Software Update. If there's an update available, simply download it. And that's it. Those are some tips to simply solve your Lemon8 app issue.